What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel of Action Games. Today I've got huge news for you guys. One, building is finally back. You can choose between non-building and building, and today we're going to be showing you the difference between non-building and how sweaty that is and how sweaty actual building is. Today I've got my cousin on mic with me, and he's going to be playing Fortnite duos with us, so I hope you guys enjoy. Oh my gosh, right, Will, you can speak now if you want. Yeah, they can hear you. Right, let me just turn my telly up a bit, guys, so you can hear it. And let's get into a duos game. Right, let's ready up. I'm going to be Chunky Boy Brutus, guys, to start with. And let's get straight into it. Yeah. Guys, we're now in the Fortnite waiting lobby. I hate waiting, but as you can see, we are getting mats and we can build. What was? Oh my god. Okay, Will, where should we land? I'm thinking we go somewhere like Lojam.
Yeah, that doesn't sound too bad of a
Like, lots of noobs land there, but there's lots of them that land there, so we can just get a load of fakers.
I was doing a solos when I think the new season started, when Lockdown came out, and every time I landed there, they were all noobs, and like they didn't even bother shooting, they just turned their back at me.
Yeah, they're just such noobs. They walk backwards. Like, who walks backwards?
It's really odd.
Like, if you walk backwards, I'm not saying you're terrible. I'm just saying it's weird.
I had one easy.
Yeah. Right. I'm gonna get some mats because
And then we actually teamed for like part of the game.
What? You teamed with a default? Or
yeah, but then you stole my gun and sniper, so I stole it back. Oh, there's a kid on me.
I got mats. I got mats.
Oh, he's right here. He's above.
I got a drum foot gun.
Directly.
That's one kill already.
Oh, he's here.
Oh, didn't mean to be toxic. Guys, we are getting mats. This is the first round. This is building, guys. Nice. Yeah, guys, this is building, and the next round we're going to play is going to be non-building, and you guys will get to see what the difference is in sweatiness. So, oh my god! Wait, they actually hit me. MKs are back, by the way, Will.
Oh yeah.
Do I take some? No, I'm not going to take the thermal. I'm actually really low. No, I'm really low. This is not handy.
Oh, I got a teammate.
Wait, now building's back. You can like build whilst you're rebooting. That's really handy.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, and when you're medding as well. Like, I hate medding.
Oh yeah, canisters. They're going to be helpful. I could really use like a med kit or something because I'm very right. Well, I will come get you. Let me just get some meds real quick.
It's fine. We've got like 250 seconds.
I know. Right, guys, I'm so sorry, but we didn't record it because I didn't think it was going to happen. But we died. There was a kid and we died, so that's not helpful.
It was a very intense battle.
Yeah. That was a bad round, so I think we'll give you guys one more round of building, and we'll see you guys in a sec. Bye. Alright, guys, we have come into the waiting lobby again. We're waiting. And we're back in building again because we wanted to sweat harder this round and see how many kills we could actually get and hopefully get the dub. So let's do it. Alright, guys, we're in the battle bus and we are going to land Rocky Reels. Will did want to land the temple, but I said it might be a bit busy. But it's the same bus as last time, guys, so we are going to go Rocky Reels. Are you coming, Will, or are you going somewhere else?
Oh no.
Nice. Land on the blimp.
I forgot the name for a minute.
Yeah. Guys, I am feeling better today. I don't think you're wondering, but I was just telling you guys. I am feeling better, so I'm not confident all the time. But also, why do people call this a Zeppelin, guys? Put in the chat if you think it's a Zeppelin or a blimp. I'm pretty sure it's a blimp.
Yeah, I think I haven't actually heard the word as a Zeppelin. Whatever it was.
I have, but I just think it's more of a blimp. Right, I landed on a blue
Blimp
bus.
is sounds like a better name for it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I
there's a lot of
guess.
people there. I'm gonna get this green burst and just hop down real quick.
Yes. Oh my god,
I'm down.
there's like 700 kids here. There's like, oh my god, there's like a whole army of kids. Oh wait, no, there's not.
Oh wait, there's a kid. Wait, there's a kid on me.
Oh my god.
Oh, really?
I got almond wolves. Wait, I'll back.
I'm your friend.
There's IO guards like every place. Oh, there's a kid. He's a bad kid. Not killed even. I thought it was a knock then. So it was a loner, guys.
Whoa, IO guard.
Please don't go for an IO guard. That would be horribly shameful. It's a shameful moment. It's a shameful moment,
Oh wait,
guys.
have you got a striker?
Yeah, guys, it's a shameful moment. Will has died. He died to an IO guard. What? Yeah, I could use it. Yeah, guys, he died to an IO guard. It's very shameful.
No, like, I got one and then I was on 6 HP
Yeah, I
from
know,
the
I
kid.
know. No, there's no kid.
And then he hit me from behind. No, there was a kid. He got me pretty low.
He's just very angry. Right, okay. Totally believe you. I'm so on your side right now. IO guys are overpowered.
Oh, launchpad, that's handy.
Oh my god, there's... How did I just not take full damage to that, guys? I thought I just fell.
Now that they're not only getting out building, like, I got used to, like, not getting that.
Yeah, I know. I always used to farm, and now
Same.
I can farm now.
I just kept getting maps, and I don't know why. Wait, I think I've seen it.
It's about drive, it's about power. We say I know there is. I'm gonna go for him. No, he's going all the way to Narnia.
I'm gonna go to the blimp.
He's literally on the other side of the
Self
map.
out of one of those cannons.
Oh yeah, that's not even a bad idea.
Yeah, that'd be pretty fun.
Yeah.
Do you want to go first? Then
Yeah, so I'll go up to the blimp guy. Guys, we're in the blimp, and I'm ready to be yeeted. This is experiment 001, and we're about to launch ourselves into nowhere. Oh my god, I look like a meatball.
Shame.
This is what I do when I see a sweaty kid building 90s, guys.
Other people with huge fringe coming off me, literally. The huge hair bits. They just like fling around. Oh, I've got a launchpad.
Nice. Let's yeet. Why did it have to go that way? A kid rebooted as well, guys, so we're trying to find him. I'm gonna go condo, by the way. I think there's kids in condo.
They're quite far away though.
I'm gonna go for condo.
Nearly fell there.
He came in my... Ready for this, guys?
There's a tank. I'm gonna shoot the tank. Aim it down there.
Right, okay, that failed. Alright, let's go. This is insane.
I actually don't know where the tank is.
Neither do I. I think it's in condo. Guys, there are so many kids here. I'm joking. There's just a tank and there's people... No, there's... No, there is. They're fighting. No. There is IO guards in the tank, but there's people, real kids, fighting the tank.
Oh yeah.
Knocked! He was a one-shot, guys. I just cheesed on him. I cheesed him! I'm gonna cheese him. Oh, no way, I just stole your kill. There's no way.
No, I got it.
No, I got the kill. Look at chat. After the shotguns. Look, I literally looked in chat. You can watch the video after I've recorded it. I got the limb.
I've got 2 limbs. And you've only got 1.
No, I got 2 limbs. You've got 1 of them.
You've
got 1 of them. Guys, he's angry. She's angry. Guys, if I'm not blind, I can see I have clearly got 2 eliminations here. And he has only got 1 elimination. Guys, red is the imposter.
No, I've literally got 2 kills.
Imposter.
on my.
Imposter's being sus. Give me some Karen hair.
Should I use a launch pad?
Yeah, let's use a launch pad. Actually, yeah, use a launch pad. Guys, I'm gonna do my own thing and be like double edit. But that wasn't a double edit. You gave me like a wrecking ball. Alright, let's go. Wait, is it just me or why is there a there's I swear there wasn't a shipping container on that wall.
Oh, shit, how am I gonna? I'm stuck.
I've
got another one.
No, you're not, jump for your life! I died. I thought I could jump into the water.
Pad. Do I use it to get down though?
I would.
Wait, should I sprint off?
Guys, that was inappropriate of me. Right.
3,
Calm down.
2, 1, I'm gonna sprint off.
No, don't, you're gonna die, don't!
Oh,
There's no way! John Cena comes in with a bang! Oh my god, right, I'll see you guys when I've got rest.
Ready?
Wow. Guys, yeah, guys, I cannot sprint. All I can do is walk. Or I can use this.
Are you actually going faster?
Maybe.
Are you going faster?
Maybe. Oh my god. Wait, can this go in water? If this goes in water, I will actually
Wait, someone just
drop a
destroyed
tenner on the
that
floor.
tank.
No.
Kids just destroyed that tank. No
Did
joke.
they?
Oh wait, no. Wait, no, someone in the tank destroyed a car, I think.
Right, okay.
That's dangerous. I
Let's
think we should run.
Oh, someone shot a car clinger thingy.
Wait, there's a car up there.
Oh, someone's taken the tank. The tank's gone, guys. Imposter has struck. It's like Huggy Wuggy, just
Bye-bye,
waiting for Huggy to move. It's gone. It's not very good. Guys, there's a massacre! Guys, there is a massacre!
Okay.
What's the swelling?
Okay. Well, I stole your kill.
No, you didn't. I got the kill.
There's the other one.
You didn't?
Okay.
Oh my god. Guys, I got it. I got the other one. Give me that crown.
Oh, that's my launch pad.
No. Flogging.
Take my launch pad. Wait.
I did. I've got it. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna. Take them.
Okay.
Take them. And I got. Okay. What? No.
Oh
What's that?
no.
I'll make it. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got myself. I got it.
Yeah, you can use my select-fish.
I know. You don't have a choice. I'm gonna use yourself.
You're my master. I don't have a choice. I am so.
Guys, look at these booger edits I got.
Oh, kids.
Oh, wait, what? Wait, what?
Behind you. Oh, wait,
Oh,
no.
no. Oh, I don't miss a shot. I don't miss a shot. Oh my god.
That was, oh, it's nice.
Alright. God, let me get this purple crew. Real.
Shush, I'm recording.
The crow
recording a
left.
YouTube video. Oh, my sister doesn't think we're recording a YouTube video.
Oh my gosh, guys, he's
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright,
So is my sister, sorry.
let's see you guys after this mayhem's gone. Guys, there is a massacre going on. Everything's going on. We're going to swim. Wait, I'm gonna bush camp in your house.
Is he behind you?
Guys, if you hear footsteps in your house and it's like 3 AM, you know who's there. No, I'm just kidding. No, oh yeah, I forgot I had to leave
Go behind it, because otherwise, okay, yeah, we'll do that.
Guys, I'm gonna die here.
I'm gonna need to probably, I think where I can get a weapon, like a good weapon I can use.
I don't know either. Maybe from that massacre that's going on right now.
Oh yeah.
Why not? so western. Alright, let's go. Ow! Ow! Meatballs are coming at me. There are meatballs.
I'm in the middle of the fight.
Oh, welcome, Sherlock. Why did you fight them with a pistol? No. Guys, we're dead.
I've got purple,
We're dead.
I've got purple thermal, blue striker, anti rocket launcher, purple SMG,
Straight into the first guys.
I'm here.
Did you guys just see that glitch? Oh my god, right. Oh my god. Right, this is it. I'm done. See you guys in lobby. Alright, guys, we're in lobby. We've had enough. And we are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay rocking like William has just shown, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.